Stop looking for side hustles and start looking at these. I've spent weeks finding 15 powerful machines you can buy right now to build a real, high cash flow business from your garage or shop. From $200 slicers to industrial lasers, let's find your next big earner. Here we go. Laser cleaning machine. The laser cleaning machine represents a new generation of high-tech surface treatment. It is an eco-friendly and environmentally conscious alternative to traditional chemical or abrasive cleaning. Widely used in the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries, this machine is versatile enough to work on steel, aluminum, and copper surfaces without damaging the base material. This machine is a rust killer that can also strip oil, paint, oxide layers, and other contaminants with ease. While a powerful 3000W unit costs around $4,800, there are many less expensive, lower power options available for smaller workshops. It's an ideal investment for a specialized restoration or industrial maintenance business. CNC Milling Machine Automatic Tool Change. The CNC Milling Machine with Automatic Tool Change is a powerhouse for machining a wide variety of complex products. It can be equipped with 6 to 12 different tools to meet specific production requirements, featuring both inline and disc tool changing modes. This versatile machine handles everything from high-precision engraving and milling to chamfering, drilling, and grooving. Starting at $3,000, this is a highly accessible entry point for a manufacturing business. It allows you to process both wood and metal products with extreme precision, making it perfect for custom furniture, automotive parts, or intricate signage. Buyers frequently highlight the high build quality, fast delivery, and excellent technical support as key reasons to invest. Mini excavator. Mini excavators are compact, yet surprisingly powerful machines capable of lifting up to 3.5 tons. One specific model, powered by a high-performance engine, is currently priced at just $2,000, making it an incredibly affordable asset for small construction sites and landscaping projects. Its small footprint allows it to operate in tight spaces where traditional heavy machinery cannot reach. Beyond the low entry price, many of these units come with free shipping, significantly lowering the startup cost for a private contractor or a small rental business. With showrooms available in almost every developed country and a high volume of positive reviews, these machines are a proven choice for those looking to enter construction or utility sector. Industrial fruit drying machine. To complement your slicer, a professional fruit drying machine is essential. For approximately $700, you can acquire a unit featuring 80 fruit trays and 4 independent drying zones. This setup allows you to set different temperatures and drying times for different products simultaneously, ensuring that the fruit retains its beneficial properties and achieves the perfect texture. This machine isn't limited to bananas. It opens a door producing a wide range of dehydrated snacks, including apple, pear, and mango chips. The ability to process large volumes of produce uniformly makes it a cornerstone for any small-scale food processing business looking to scale up production. Automatic banana slicer. The automatic banana slicer is an indispensable assistant for anyone looking to enter the healthy snack market. This device is designed to slice up to 10 bananas simultaneously, which dramatically speeds up the preparation process compared to manual labor. The stainless steel body ensures food safety and long-term durability, while its compact size fits easily into small commercial kitchens. At a price point starting from $155, this machine provides the perfectly even, thin slices required for crispy, golden banana chips. By automating the most tedious part production line, you can focus on flavor development and branding, turning a simple fruit into a high-margin packaged snack. Automatic glove knitting machine. The automatic glove knitting machine is a modern piece of equipment capable of producing up to 360 pairs of gloves per day. It is equipped with a smart control system that optimizes the knitting process and ensures consistent product quality. It is compatible with various types of yarns, allowing you to create gloves of different sizes, weights, and densities. For an entrepreneur, this machine provides a high-volume production capability in a relatively small space. Whether you are targeting industrial work gloves or fashionable winter wear, this equipment allows you to expand your product range and meet large wholesale orders with ease. Automatic packaging machine. An automatic packaging machine is the final step in bringing your product to the retail market. costing between $150 and $1,200, depending on the configuration. This machine can pack up to 20 bags per minute. It features a preset weight system and an integrated date stamper to ensure your products meet all regulatory requirements and look professional on the shelf. This investment ensures your product is not only tasty, but also attractive and shelf-ready for customers. By automating the weighing and sealing process, you eliminate human error and significantly reduce labor costs, allowing your snack business to compete with established brands. BAI Professional Embroidery Machine. The BAI Embroidery Machine is a professional-grade tool featuring 12 needles, allowing for the use of 12 different thread colors in a single design. This capability is essential for creating complex, vibrant patterns on a wide range of fabrics, from hats and shirts to heavy jackets. It is highly regarded by users for its reliability and the wide variety of accessories included. Investing in a BAI machine gives you access to the high-margin world of custom apparel and corporate branding. With door-to-door service and strong technical support, it is a business in a box for anyone wanting to offer premium embroidery services with professional-level results. Computerized Automatic Knitting Machine. Designed specifically for creating sweaters and other complex knitted garments, this computerized machine offers a high degree of automation. By minimizing human involvement, it reduces the margin for error and ensures that every garment produced is identical in quality. The machine is built for reliability and long-term productivity in a professional textile environment. Priced at $6,200, this machine comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind for new business owners. It is a perfect fit for those looking to start an independent clothing line or a local knitwear brand, offering the efficiency of a factory with the flexibility of a small studio. Automatic Rigid Metal Dish Sponge Machine. This specialized equipment is designed to produce high-quality cleaning sponges from stainless or galvanized wire. It is built for high efficiency, capable of producing up to 30 pounds of finished product per hour. The machine is remarkably durable, often coming with a 3-year warranty on the motor and 2 years on other parts. At a cost of $2,000, this machine targets a consistent, evergreen market cleaning supplies. Because these sponges are consumable items that need regular replacement, you can build a stable business with high repeat order rates from both household consumers and industrial clients. Commercial Coffee Roaster. This coffee roasting machine is built from high-quality food-grade stainless steel and utilizes reliable Swedish bearings for smooth operation. It features a precision Japanese burner that maintains an exact temperature, which is the most critical factor in producing a high-quality, flavorful roast. It can handle up to 13 pounds of beans per hour. For a small coffee brand, this machine provides a capacity needed to supply local cafes or sell freshly roasted beans directly to consumers. Owning the roasting process allows you to control the flavor profile and quality, which is the best way to build a strong reputation and a loyal customer base in a competitive coffee market. Floor Printing Machine. Similar to the wall printer, the floor printer is designed to create custom designs on horizontal surfaces. It works effectively on a variety of materials, including ceramic tiles, marble, granite, and even concrete. Using durable, eco-friendly inks, it allows for the creation of unique flooring patterns that were previously impossible or too expensive to achieve. This technology is a game changer for commercial spaces like hotels, showrooms, and modern homes. By offering custom floor printing, you provide a high-end service that helps clients transform ordinary spaces into branded environments or artistic statements. Vertical Wall Printer. The wall printer is an innovative device that uses eco-friendly inks to print high-resolution images directly onto vertical surfaces. It can handle massive scales, printing images up to 100 inches by 200 inches. Equipped with dual print heads and ultrasonic sensors, it automatically adjusts its position to compensate for uneven wall textures. This machine allows you to offer unique mural and branding services for offices, homes, and public spaces. Since the ink is safe for both the environment and human health, it is a perfect solution for interior designers looking to create large-scale works of art without the time and cost of manual painting. CNC Bar and Wire Bending Machine. The CNC bar bending machine is an all-in-one solution for straightening, measuring, bending, and cutting steel bars and wire. Its compact design and simple operation make it highly productive while significantly saving on labor costs. It is capable of forming wire into complex shapes like spirals, rings, and arcs with perfect repeatability. This machine is essential for manufacturing construction reinforcements, metal furniture, or decorative wire products. Its high efficiency and precision allow a small operation to produce industrial-grade components at a speed that manual bending can never match, making it a vital asset for any metalworking business. Fruit and vegetable netting machine. This state-of-the-art machine produces protective netting from polyethylene foam, a material known for its high strength and resistance to moisture. The netting is used to wrap individual fruits and vegetables, preventing bruising and maintaining freshness during transport. The material is fully recyclable, meeting the demands of eco-conscious modern consumers. For a business owner, this machine taps into the massive agricultural and grocery logistics market. By providing high-quality, protective packaging solutions, you can partner with local farmers and distributors to help them reduce food waste and improve the shelf appeal of their produce. That's the list. 15 ways to manufacture your own paycheck. All the links are in the description below, so go check them out and see which one fits your budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which machine you're buying first. I'll see you in the next one.